In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing options. Text correction options on your iPhone let you control features like autocorrection, predictive text, or for example spell check. Those and many more tools make typing faster and more accurate. So if you want to manage them, let's begin. You don't need any tricks or special apps. Everything is already in device's settings. So firstly, open those settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on General section. Then scroll down again, this time to click on Keyboard. Following that, you need to scroll down and manage all of those options under All Keyboards by clicking on the switches next to the chosen ones. To disable the ones you don't want to use, click on Gray switches. And to enable them, tap on gray ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!